Well, here's the end of the world monster snowstorm of 2011 that they've been talking about on the media ad nauseum for the last 2 days. But here it is, right on schedule. They said storm warning from 3 o'clock today until 3 o'clock tomorrow, and it's 3 o'clock. And here it is. And it's actually snowing up. And my building is creaking, and I'm sure you can hear that because it's very loud. It sounds like the building's gonna fall over. And it's snowing like a son of a bitch out there. It's actually snowing up. It's so windy. Can you see that? There's Quigley Seminary down there. And there are people walking. Not too many. But they're probably heading to the grocery store to stock up their cupboards before they get barricaded in. And then there are people driving, probably looking for gas stations so they can fill up their tanks and not get stuck somewhere. It's pretty cool out there, actually. I'm glad I'm not out in it, but it is here right on schedule. And I've been poo-pooing it for days, saying, yeah, it's not going to happen. But you know what? It might. But here's my prediction about this storm, whatever it is, and however long it lasts. It's going to snow, and then it's going to stop.